Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like or share. Today I feel like I should put on some natural hair. It's January and I'm gonna use this some used fluffy kinky. No, not fluffy. I'd use these kinkies, Afro kinky. No, this is not Afro kinky, it's fluffy kinky. I'd use this to make my previous hair, and yeah, I'll use this one, and then I'll use this eco styler, this here. Yeah, I recommend that one because I was using this one, but then it has some white chunks which I don't like at all. But then yes, I just decided to shift towards this one. But then I'll use my crochet needle, and then I'll be using this hard brush of mine to, yeah. So I'm going to undo my hair, and then after that I'll condition it and then do some leave-in treatment using lorries, washing it so no blow dry. And now we want to start making the hair, and I'll start by separating this way the round, all round, because all I need is to just make some extension. So I'll take most of the hair will be in the mid. I'll take the hair from the middle like this, and then I'll use to make the matutas like this way. So all I need is my hair. All I need is this. Just this hair that's in the middle, it's all I need, so that I can plait it and then crochet. Like yes, this hair, this bit here. So that after I'm done, I'm gonna take it. Now I'm almost winding up, and I'm done with the matutas. What I'm going to do is to continue with my crochet, yes, so that I can get done and get out of here. The crochet bit, so I'm trying to put the hair together, like here, combing it. I feel like already it's the way I want it. Yeah. So I said before, I'm going to use this one. It's black castor and flaxseed, yeah, black castor and flaxseed oil. Eco styler here. So I'm gonna open it, but I just like how it smells. Very nice. So yes, I'm gonna do this. Ladies, we understand ourselves better. So yes, if you don't have money, this is how we are handling our January. Yeah, yeah. I'm loving this look. I'm loving this look. Uh-huh. We all love baby hair, and I can't live here without making baby hair. Yes, so we're gonna use this Kambuka stocking here, and yes, this is how we're gonna do it. And baby hair, I'm gonna use this brush. This is what I normally use to get my baby hair done. And yeah, here. I said I love this black cassa eco styler because it doesn't have like white chunks after the hair is dry, so that's why I prefer it over the green one, this one. So yes, so I'm gonna cut it with the scissors. So like, yeah, put it on this case my I feel good about it. I've achieved what I wanted. So yes, ladies, you can't stay shy even if you don't have money. This is how we do it. Yeah. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.